Imagine a world where technology communicates just like us, understanding and responding in a strikingly human-like manner. Enter the realm of Chat GPT. Chat GPT, standing for Generative Pre-training Transformer, is a splendid creation by OpenAI. Originating in the heart of Silicon Valley, this artificial intelligence model has taken the world by storm. Its significance in our tech-savvy world is undeniable. It's like having a personal assistant that understands you, communicates with you, and even writes for you, all in a manner that's incredibly human-like. This technology is not just about making our lives easier, it's about enhancing productivity, simplifying tasks, and setting a new standard for interaction between humans and technology. Whether you're a writer needing an extra pair of hands, a business owner looking to automate customer support, or just someone fascinated by the potential of AI, ChatGPT has something to offer. As we delve deeper into the world of ChatGPT, prepare to be amazed by its incredible features. ChatGPT is not just about smart conversation. It's packed with features that make it an extraordinary technological marvel. It's like having an intelligent companion at your fingertips, ready to understand, respond, and assist you. One of the key features of ChatGPT is its ability to understand context. Imagine having a conversation with a friend who remembers everything you've said, who can follow along with the twists and turns of your discussion. That's what it's like chatting with ChatGPT. It remembers the context, the subject at hand, and responds accordingly, making your interaction feel incredibly natural. But it doesn't stop there. ChatGPT doesn't just understand, it generates human-like text. It's almost as if you're talking to another person. The responses are not robotic or mechanical. They're fluid, dynamic, just like a real conversation. And perhaps the most impressive feature is its versatility. Whether you're drafting an email, writing a story, learning a new language, or just having a casual chat, ChatGPT can adapt to your needs. It's not limited to a single task, it's a multi-purpose tool designed to assist you in various applications. With such compelling features, ChatGPT is revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. It's not just a tool, it's an intelligent companion, always ready to assist, engage, and make our digital lives easier and more interactive. Now that we've explored the features of ChatGPT, it's time to learn how to create a YouTube video using this powerful tool. Let's start at the beginning, the preparation stage. This is where you brainstorm and decide on the content of your video. What do you want to talk about? What is your message? Once you have a clear idea, it's time to start working with ChatGPT. The next step is the scripting phase. With ChatGPT, this step becomes a breeze. All you need to do is input your ideas, and ChatGPT will provide you with a well-structured, engaging script. Remember, the more detailed your input, the more precise and relevant the output will be. So don't hold back. Give as much information as you can to help ChatGPT generate the best possible script. Once your script is ready, it's time for the fun part, recording. Read out your script, making sure to convey the right tone and energy. Don't worry if you make mistakes, you can always edit them out later, which brings us to the final stage, editing. Here you can use any video editing software to cut out mistakes, add music, graphics, or any other elements to enhance your video. Now you might be thinking, that sounds great, but I don't have any experience with scripting or editing. That's the beauty of ChatGPT. It's designed to be user-friendly even if you're a complete beginner. Plus, there are plenty of tutorials available online to help you through the process. And there you have it. With a bit of preparation, some creativity, and the help of ChatGPT, you can create engaging professional YouTube videos. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't be discouraged if your first few videos aren't perfect. Keep trying, keep learning, and most importantly, keep creating. With these simple steps, creating a YouTube video with ChatGPT becomes a breeze. We've embarked on a fascinating journey today, exploring the world of ChatGPT and its applications in YouTube video creation. We've delved into the features of this innovative tool and seen how it can transform our digital interactions. The potential of ChatGPT is vast, and it's an exciting time to be part of this journey. How did you find this journey into the world of ChatGPT? Please let us know by commenting below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more such insightful content. Until next time, keep exploring.